Here's a 2006 Ford Saleen Mustang Convertible. This is the supercharged model of the S281. Basically 3 models that you could get in 06, 3-valve supercharged version, and an extreme. This would be the 435 horse supercharged model. Sequence number is 685. Very nice car. 26,000 miles or 26,000 miles approximately. We'll get around to the driver's side. We'll check it out exactly on the odometer. Got the wagon wheels, they call them. Nice chrome, awesome looking wheel in this car. Vented hood for extracting heat. As you can see the luster in the paint on this thing. If you look at the pictures, you may look like there's flaws in the paint. See if I can get it just right to show you. But it's actually reflections. There you go. That's reflections from our ceiling. So you can see the paint's got a beautiful luster to it. If you'd like to check out the underside pics, still pictures of the car, engine bay, interior, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car came to us out of California. Probably one of the reasons it's in such nice shape. It's got newer Pirellis on the rear of it. Front tires seem like there's still good rubber on those also. They look like they may have been replaced not too long ago, especially the rear ones. Got the center dump exhaust. Very popular on this body style. Saleen. You can also tell they do a blackout on one of the tail light lenses, kind of one of their signatures. The appearance package. Very nice looking car with the fascias. Front, side, and back, the side skirts, the big wing in the back. In the trunk, there is a parade boot. I didn't put it on for the pictures, but it is folded up in the trunk, so it does have the parade boot on it. Cover up the convertible top in the back. Does have a power convertible top. 5-speed manual transmission, Shaker 500 stereo system in it. Dual pod gauge in the dash for air temp and boost. You can see it still has S281 floor mats in it. Those turn out a little different gray than they are in the pictures and the video than they really are in person. Let's go ahead, check out the seats. Saleen insignia. See the seats aren't all worn. Very nice shape, front and back. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check those miles out. There it is, 26,161. Hear that nice little rumble. Supercharged 4.6. Slip around to the back of that center dump exhaust. Just awesome sounding cars, a lot of torque with that supercharger. These will get up and go. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Or like I said earlier about checking out any of the underside pics, interior, engine bay. You can check out all the dash plaque, the cowl tag, all the stuff that tells you it's a Saleen. Those pictures can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com.